I will show how to create data type through Data Type Designer of AUTOSAR IO. Right-click the project, open AUTOSAR DataType Designer. In Adaptive Platform, we can create CPP implementation data type and data type implementation. Here, I will create 11 kinds of basic data types and type references. Right-click and select Add STD-CPP implementation data type. I will add and select the AR package of data type. Enter Boolean data type and select Value in Category. Go back to AR package, select data type, and create an assigned integer 8-bit in the same way. Additionally, set type emitter to CSTD integer. The third one is unsigned integer 16-bit, and the value is the same to the previous one. The fourth one is unsigned integer 32-bit, and its setting is the same as well. Again, same for unsigned integer 64-bit. Next one is signed integer 8-bit with same value. Create signed integer 16-bit in the same order. Create and configure signed integer 32-bit and 64-bit. Create float and same setting for category. Create double and same setting for category. So far, I've finished creating 11 kinds of basic data types. Please pay attention to bool, float and double. We don't need to set type emitter for them. Next, I will add to type references. Right-click and select Add STD-CPP implementation data type. Then select DataType AR package. Change its name into Input Data, and select Type Reference and Category. For this type reference, I set the referencing data as unsigned integer, 8-bit. And I add another one here. Change the name as Output Data, and same setting for the category. The referencing data is unsigned integer, 8-bit as well. In case of type preference, we need to configure namespace. So I enter user data